Today I'm going to show you 2 ways to turn NotebookLM into a fully automated content machine by combining it with a Claude-powered agent. This setup can literally research, generate, and package content for you without you doing any manual work. In this video, I'll walk you through both approaches. First, using the command line, and then a simpler method using the Claude Desktop app. By the end of this, you'll have a system that can create infographics, slide decks, reports, and even full content pipelines for you. Let's start with the more powerful option, the CLI setup. First, you'll want to install all the necessary dependencies. I'll leave the repo link in the description, but here's the full process. Open your terminal. If you're on a Mac, press Command plus space and type terminal. If you're on Windows, open PowerShell. Now run these commands. First, pip install NotebookLM-Pi. Then, pip install NotebookLM-Pi-browser. And finally, playwright install Chromium. These steps install the tools needed to automate Google NotebookLM and connect it directly to your workflow. Next, log in by running NotebookLM login. This will open a browser window so you can authenticate. After that, come back to your terminal and press enter to confirm. Now let's make sure everything is working. Run NotebookLM list. If you see your notebooks and their IDs, you're good to go. At this point, you've basically unlocked the ability to control NotebookLM programmatically. And this is where things start to get interesting. In order to connect NotebookLM to Claude, you first need to have Claude Code installed on your computer. If you haven't done so yet, just search for Claude CLI installation online. The official instructions are very simple to follow. It only takes a couple of minutes. Next, we connect NotebookLM to Claude. Install the NotebookLM skill by running NotebookLM skill install. If it's installed, you're ready to start running your NotebookLM commands from Claude Code. Start your Claude Code session from the terminal by simply running Claude. If you see this credit balance too low message on screen, that just means your API credits are running low. If you want to switch login methods, or you're authenticating for the first time, you can run /login. From there, you can choose how you want to sign in, either with an API key or with your Claude account if you have a paid subscription. I'm currently on the Pro plan, which is about $17 a month, so I'll go with that option. Or, if you prefer, you can simply top up your API credits and continue using the API key setup. Once you've successfully logged in, start by running NotebookLM list. This will show you all the notebooks available in your account. Now from here, you can just tell Claude what to do in plain English. For example, I'll type something like this. Go into my Claude Cowork notebook and generate a mind map showing how Cowork can be used. And that's it. Claude will go through all the sources in that notebook and build the mind map for you automatically. Once the output is ready, Claude will ask if you want to download it to your computer. I'll go ahead and allow that. In the meantime, we can jump into NotebookLM and check the Cowork notebook. And there it is. You can see the generated mind map. And back on my machine, you can also see the JSON file saved locally. But that's just the beginning. Let's take this a step further. Instead of giving Claude small tasks, we're going to give it one big instruction. I'll type something like this. Create a new notebook called AI Productivity Tools 2026. Pull in a few relevant sources, like YouTube videos and articles, and then generate an infographic showing the top 10 AI tools and what they do. And now, we just let it run. Behind the scenes, the agent is doing a lot. It's searching the web, finding relevant content, adding sources to your notebook, and then synthesizing everything into a structured output. Now, we can check the NotebookLM UI and watch as all the resources get added in automatically and watch as it works. And the crazy part is, this only takes a few minutes. When it's done, you'll have a complete infographic based on real sources. No manual research, organizing, or design work needed. You can check the GitHub repo README for more ideas on what you can generate. You can create quizzes, flashcards, slide decks, podcasts, and more. And you're not limited to just one task at a time. While the infographic is being generated, you can open another Claude session and ask it to create a slide deck from the same data. So now you're creating multiple pieces of content in parallel. And this is with zero customization. Of course, you can always refine things later, add your brand colors, and adjust the style. But the base output is already really strong. Once the infographic is created, you can find it directly in your Downloads folder on your local machine. As you can see, the infographic is clean, detailed, and clearly lists all the tools it identified as the best AI productivity stack, based on the research it completed on its own. You'll also see this reflected inside NotebookLM. Now, back in the terminal, you can see that the Claude session we started earlier in parallel is ready to begin processing the slide deck. You'll notice that it asks for approval first. If you want to skip this step in the future, you can run it with dangerously skip permissions. But for now, we'll just go ahead and accept, and let it proceed with the slide creation. As you can see, the slides are being created in real time inside the NotebookLM UI. And when it's done, the entire slide deck is automatically saved straight to your Downloads folder, ready to use. If you want to change anything, you don't have to start over. Just go back into NotebookLM, click on any specific slide, and type your comments directly into the text box. You can instantly edit, refine, and customize each slide exactly how you want in seconds. So we've covered the first method of creating agents with NotebookLM using the CLI setup. Next, let's take a look at the second option, which works directly inside the Claude Desktop app. All you have to do is take the GitHub repo link, paste it into Claude-powered, and tell it to install the skill. Claude will fetch the repo, read through the files, and automatically package it using Claude's skill creator. Before you do this, make sure the skill creator is enabled. Go to your Claude settings, navigate to capabilities, then go to customize, and make sure skill creator is turned on. You can view and add predefined skills by clicking on browse skills. Once that's enabled, Claude can create and install skills for you using simple text prompts. Now back in the Claude Desktop app, you'll see progress updates as it backs up the existing skill, copies new files, and verifies the installation. Once it's done, just click Save Skill and confirm the installation. At this point, the skill is ready to use. Now we'll give it a test. We'll ask NotebookLM to update the AI Productivity Tools 2026 notebook and generate an audio overview. I'll just type /NotebookLM to trigger the skill and then say, in my AI Productivity Tools 2026 notebook, generate a short audio overview about the best productivity tools this year, and then hit enter. And we'll see what Claude returns. Okay, it says it cannot run NotebookLM login from the sandbox because there's no browser, and it gives you options. It's suggesting to go back to the CLI and run the login there, but what we'll do instead is use the browser via the Claude Chrome extension. You can install the Claude Chrome extension, log into your Google account, and authorize NotebookLM directly. Once that's done, Claude can access NotebookLM through your browser session. From there, you can continue using Claude-powered to control NotebookLM and generate content. And once everything is set up, it will go ahead and generate the audio overview for you. And there you have it. If you want something simpler to get started, this desktop method works perfectly fine. That said, I still recommend the CLI method. It's faster, more stable, and connects directly through APIs. So if you're planning to scale this workflow, that's the better option. So now you've got a system that can automate your research and generate content for you. If you found this tutorial useful, let me know. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. Also, if you want to join a community of like-minded people who are learning how to use AI to work smarter, grow, and scale their businesses, check out the link in the description or the pinned comment. And stay tuned for the next tutorial.